Did you know that we won a big case in court? It's Texas versus DHS. They're allowing the parole program to continue. We have expedited work permits for refugees. We have a visa bulletin for April that's very interesting, April of 2024. So, hey, we got a lot of good updates for you. My name is Humberto Gray, and you can always get me at hrg@graylaw.com. A lot to unpack today, so let's get at it. All right, visa bulletin for April of 2024. There was a huge mistake for EB2 for Indian nationals. They've made the correction, but the date is April 15th, 2012. Those are the applications that are being processed now. Make sure you got that correct date. So for family petitions, you are going to use the filing date again. That's really good news because the filing dates, as you see, if you look at the visa bulletin, I put a link in the description box here. If you go jump on real quick, take a look at it. Family petitions using the filing dates are a lot faster than the actual final action dates. That's great stuff. If you have an adjustment, get it in, put it in. For the employment-based visas, you are going to use the final action date. Make sure you make that adjustment for the dates for Indian nationals. All right, there have been some huge glitches on biometric appointments at the ASC centers. You're going to get notices, and I got them as well, right? For my clients. You're going to get notices. The date's already passed, right? They have a glitch that's going on. The dates are either like you have one day to go or it's already passed. What do you do in those circumstances? What you do is USCIS has indicated to AILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association, that you can take that past due notice, go to the ASC center, get your biometrics taken, right? You let them know you got it late and they will accept you right away. All right, Texas loses again. Texas versus DHS. Texas sued the Biden administration for the parole program that's happening for Venezuelans, Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Cubans, right? These are places where it's devastating. Look at Haiti right now. It's unbelievable. They can be paroled into the United States and get work authorization and be here lawfully while they're claiming their asylum applications, etc. So Texas sued, of course, wanted to end the program, and they lost, right? The court indicated that Texas has no jurisdiction on this program, so the program will continue. These individuals can be paroled into the United States. That's really good news. All righty, remember, April 1st, folks, big day, USCIS Fee Increase. I put a link in the description box here. Go online, check this out. They actually have good stuff. They have a fee calculator. You can calculate the type of application. It'll calculate the fees for you so that you make sure you're going to put the correct amount. These fees are going to be increased. Make sure when you're filing your applications, you have the correct fee. Why? Because what happens is it takes months for that to be rejected. If you put the wrong fee in, you file the application, certainly if you have a deadline, you file the application, wrong fee, 2 months later, you're going to get back the package, rejected. You may lose your filing date. So be mindful of the fee increase, put the correct fees. Use the calculator here, folks. It's really cool stuff, all right? All righty, USCIS just announced difference between refugee and asylee, right? Refugees are those who've already been vetted outside of the country that they are refugees and they come in refugee status. Asylum seekers are those at the border who are coming in to claim asylum or who are already in the United States and they're claiming asylum. Big difference, right? So USCIS just announced for the refugee program, expedited work permits. What they're going to do, they're going to take the I-765 and do it digitally, okay? They're going to have digital application process for individuals. 30 days later, they're going to issue the work permit. Now, why do I think this is important? I think this is really important. I think they're going to roll it out for all work permits with technology now. Once your work permit is submitted, you got the biographic data, you got your biometrics already taken, you got your photo already taken in the system. Hopefully they can start rolling these things out in absolutely, in 30 days or so. Also note that with regular work authorization cards, you get automatic extensions now. You got to read your receipt. Automatically extended for 540 days. In some cases, these days now, it's back to 180 days. Also, work permits are being issued for 5 years. Check your work permit. You should be getting 5 years now, folks. All right, YouTube family and GN subs, Thanks so much for watching GrayLaw TV. Click below, like and subscribe, and go to my playlist. Go to my frequently asked questions. Great content, folks, all right? And we'll see you next time.